Okay, hi guys, welcome to our unboxing. So I got some eco bag full of National Bookstore treats. So let's see what's inside this one. So let's start. Dito nga pala si Arvin Elo. Na nakikinood din sa ano ko kasi since we're in this cafe. Okay, let's start off first with this one. Sa Crayola Ultimate Cutter. So for all your cutting needs, you have this one. Actually, tatry ko siya when I get to the office because I need something to cut it with, my stencils, etc. Available on National Bookstore. Next. Ito, kaya tayong Zipsters Wildlings Beesbox. Beautiful. So it's a nice pencil case. Syempre with the zipper na pag pinuksan mo mukha siyang, diba? So what's inside? Let's see. Oh, okay. So we have Sparks, which is their line, National Bookstores line for, I think, scrapbooking. So yan, 30 yards times 3. Of course, a must have for everyone. Pencil, SpongeBob SquarePants. Of course, we have a Uniball pen. Uniball pen, ang pambansang ball pen ng lahat ng tao. I think we have a red one. So it's a blue and a red one. And of course, syempre, hindi mawawala yung pencil. And this one is a Stabilo pencil. Exam grade. Then we have I think it's highlighter. Ay hindi, pen. It's a pen with two types. We have fine and broad, and it comes in two colors, the gray and the blue one, but I think there's more colors if you look at National Bookstores. Siyempre, since may pencil, natin yung eraser, which is I recommend you get also the Stabilo exam grade eraser. So next we have, since talking about Stabilo, siyempre we have the highlighter, which is part of the line, and from what I see, they have the package na kasama na yung pencil and eraser with this highlighter. Okay, next we have a post-it. So it's a highlighter, plus we also have post-it notes. Biglaan, galing. So that's what's inside this pencil case. I can put all this stuff easily. Zip it. And there you can have it. Okay, next in this haul is this one. It's an RP doodle. So what's inside? Ganda. So you have, kung gusto mo mag-architecture, actually engineering ako pero mahilig ako sa drawing. So actually naka-impress. I like the styles, yung mga designs. Meron mga sketch spaces kung saan pwede na i-practice to. So this book is good for architects and also design lovers like me. So the landscape, people, try mo yun. So for this one, yan, so I'm checking. This one is available for only 685 pesos. 685 pesos. Makapal na siya. And it's really a doodler or an architect, a designer's Dream Book. So, ang galing. For this price, and it's available again at National Bookstore stores. Okay, so ito pa. We have, of course, scrapbook design. So the summer, it's we have popsicles and we have strings. So good for scrapbooking, good for designing. And of course, if you have gift for your family, we have this gift box, which is available through their Sparks line. It's really cool. Ang ganda ng design. And okay, for our final haul, yes, I like this one. Let me take a picture. So this is the Super Book of Superheroes. So being a comic book fanatic, ang ganda, diba? I love this one. I really love this one. So okay, so you see the pictures. Oh my god, it's really cool. Galing. So syempre there are blank pages for you to draw on. Nako, tama-tama. I have the pencil, I have the pen. I can draw my superheroes here. Well, may mask pa. So it's a really cool book. Though I don't have the official price for this, but I believe it comes at an affordable price. This is really cool for all those who are into comics and are artists who are also into beyond just the regular comics, beyond just the regular art. This one could actually help you with improving your drawing better. So for me, I'm a basic drawer. I think it will help me a lot with this one. Okay, so yun lang guys. So the bag has been emptied, and I really love the NBS haul for tonight. And I'll give you more updates in terms of the products that the National Bookstore has. And if you have questions, feel free to put them in the comments. And I really hope that you enjoy this this video with my NBS hauls. So I'll post more videos, more details in the description or in the comments section. So what do you think? What are your favorite things with my comic haul for tonight with National Bookstore? And also tell me about your favorite things that you wanted to buy at National Bookstore stores. Since it's almost May, school is coming by June, so I guess you have a lot of things you wanted to buy. So let's discuss that. Let's discuss that soon. Of course, as of now, I'll just enjoy this book. I really love this book. So see you then. Bye bye.